Today's video we continue our journey north and visit Hervey Bay. Hervey Bay is a convenient stopping point on our journey. It's about 2 hours north of Noosa, 3.5 hours from Brisbane. We're staying at the Pyalba Caravan Park, right on the water's edge. Here we will experience some amazing sunrises and sunsets. Hervey Bay has a population of around 65,000. Hervey Bay's economy is driven by tourism, with healthcare and social assistance being the largest employer. Other significant industries include education, retail and construction, with a growing focus on large-scale projects like the Queensland train manufacturing program and manufacturing plants for aircrafts and battery industries. Hervey Bay is the gateway to the famous Fraser Island. We'll take a boat tour out along the Fraser Island coast, encountering dolphins, turtles and dugongs. Unfortunately, we are a little early for whales. I chose the Hervey Bay Boat Club cruise. It is excellent value. You get 3 hours cruising for $60. It's a large stable boat equipped with 3 viewing areas, but also has a safety boom net for those who want to get wet.
Mate, how are you?
Good, mate. Yourself?
Good, thank you. We're just grabbing everyone inside for a safety briefing.
Nice.
Morning, guys. How are we? We're just grabbing everyone inside for a safety
It's not recommended to swim in the ocean around Fraser Island due to a healthy population of tiger sharks, bull sharks, and when the whales are here, the great white shark is also here. They follow the annual whale migration. Throughout our cruise, dolphins are very plentiful.
There he goes, keeps going. Oh, another one. There's 2 of them. Which one?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3 here now.
You got some fish to throw them?
There's tons of fish in the water, that's why they're here. They're only coming to the surface to take a breath between chewing off these. Yeah.
They're in Sydney Harbour apparently.
Yeah, well, they're moving up the coast. So they move right up the coast, they do the breeding, and they call in here on the way back. So, middle of July before we...
Hervey Bay is one of 8 hotspots for whale watching in Australia. Here the calm waters between Fraser Island and Hervey Bay create a restful haven for migrating whales. It is not uncommon for whale mugging to occur, that is, whales curiously circling the boat.
There they
Oh,
are,
nope.
Closer ones.
Oh, yeah.
There's one just under the water here too, guys. About a boat's length away. You can see his back just under the water. He'll pop up in a minute.
Yeah, 1, 2.
There he is.
Where?
Popped up just ahead of you.
Oh,
A bit of a brown back in the water.
Oh.
A boat or 2 length away. So he might pop up in a minute again. His brown back's just under the water. About a boat's length away.
No.
There, look, just here, look, real close.
One really close. Yeah, so this is all seagrass beds, so they're just moving
Look right
around
here.
like cows around a paddock grazing.
See those brown backs under the water. You can sort of follow it. You can see when they get close to the surface.
They're really fat, really fat. They're like a... oh no, how would you describe a dugong?
Yeah, sea elephant or a sea cow.
Sea cow. Sea cow? They're not very They don't like having their photos taken, these guys.
Yeah, these guys aren't very interesting people. They're much more interested in others.
So when you get like a herd of them, and they're like cows moving around a paddock, just grazing.
Yeah.
So they'll come through here, they'll clean this out, then you won't see them any after 6 months.
Is that right?
They'll be off somewhere else cleaning out another
Okay.
paddock while this recovers.
Then if you need to grab onto another rope or railing, you can. Then your next foot, lower yourself nice and slow into your butt. Perfect.
Right, floor it, Captain.
Roosting here. When they roost, they leave little bits of fertiliser, the occasional seed. Now that's what makes the vegetation take hold, and vegetation is what holds and binds sand together. So over about a 30-year process, this place has formed and only gotten bigger. You'll see some of those pelicans and other birds here now.
It's a nice view down there too.
Locals like it. Then you'll see lots of little silverish flecks in the water ahead of us. It's all bait fish in the water just ahead of the boat. See the surface there just shining the silver. So there is eating the bait. As soon as showing you some of the pretty area that we live in. Spend a little bit more time this morning chasing wildlife than we did cruising along beaches, but that's what happens when you know they're there, so we can go cruise around a little bit and show you what's going on. see new gums like that, that's pretty cool. So whether it be lunch, dinner or both that you want to enjoy at the boat club, feel free to claim your discounts and feel free to enjoy the hospitality and the facilities at the club. Gaming, bars, bistros, licensed cinemas. I think it's kids' movies, cinemas there. All sorts of things available for you to enjoy.
There's a few more people there now.
So just give us a few minutes, Brandon and I will get the boat all tied up, and then you guys will be right to go ashore. And I really, really do want to thank you for coming out with us. It's been a lovely morning on the water, and I hope you've enjoyed it.
My wife and I took advantage of the boat club restaurant discount. It's a lovely spot with great views out over the marina. The food was great as well. I highly recommend it. While in Hervey Bay, you must take a stroll on the Urangan Pier. The pier was built between 1913 and 17 as a deep water cargo facility to export sugar, timber and coal from Hervey Bay. Originally 1,124 metres long, it was a vital link for the region's economy until it closed to commercial use in 1985. After public outcry to save the much-loved pier, the structure was restored, and today is a popular spot for fishing and tourism, with the final section restored in 2009. There is currently more restoration work happening. It's a very relaxing walk with some interesting sand tidal features. There are a number of things to do in Hervey Bay. The historical village and museum is worth a look. The Wetside Park is great for kids on a hot day. Reef World Aquarium is nice, and of course there's four-wheel driving adventures on Fraser Island. Fraser Island, now known as Kagari, is the world's largest sand island. It has a unique natural beauty, including rainforests growing on sand, freshwater lakes, and wild dingoes. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The island is a magnet for four-wheel drivers. The island has some beautiful clear lakes where you can swim. It is a remote and sandy environment which necessitates either experienced four-wheel driving skills or joining a guided tour. I hope you enjoyed our visit to Hervey Bay. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like. Our next video will take you up to a beautiful place, one of my favourite on our trip, and that's Agnes Waters, and particularly the little village just out of Agnes Waters, 1770, a very special location.